Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today we're diving right into my last Clean and Decorate for Christmas 2019 video in this series. I have had so much fun decorating my home for the holidays and I have loved every minute of sharing it with you guys. But today we're focusing on the master bedroom. I love having my bedroom decorated for Christmas. It's just so festive and fun at nighttime when we cozy up and watch movies or just hang out. I absolutely love it. So I'm starting here on the bed. I'm just adding these flannel sheets. I found them at Target and they were perfect. I loved the plaid and the red and green, as well as that really pretty wreath above my headboard that is also from Target. I absolutely love having white bedding for different times of the year that I want to change out the sheets or the throw pillows or blankets, and that way they always match and it's fun to just add pops of color. I always get a lot of questions about these Euro shams and I wanted to let you guys know that I have all of my bedding today linked down below. A goal of mine as I was decorating this space was to be minimal in nature but still really thoughtful and put together. I thought about every piece that I added. I wanted a nice mixture of traditional farmhouse and modern farmhouse, and I love the way that this bed turned out. I added these velvet green, kind of forest green pillows with the gold Christmas trees, but then for more of a rustic touch, did that farm fresh pillow as well as added a chunky knit throw. So just for another added layer of texture and just kind of to make the room feel more cozy, I added this tray to the bed as well as these cute Christmas trees, and I played around with a couple different things to pair with that, but I ended up putting a stack of our Bibles as well as a really pretty candle.
Shop just next door. We talk for hours on end, and somehow something true, and that everything would change from now on.
I'm yet again using the CALDREA Balsam and Birch scented spray to wipe down my side tables and the rest of my furniture because it just smells so good. I don't want to use anything else. I'm going to use it all up until it's gone, and I wanted to let you guys know I also have that linked down below as well. Moving right along to my chest of drawers, I'm just taking everything off, starting with a clean slate. It was kind of a hodgepodge situation, but then I'm also just going to wipe this down really well and get it clean before I add my Christmas decor. I wanted to incorporate this frame because of the gold edge, and I was doing pops of gold in here, and those little Christmas trees were so cute. They were just wrapped in craft paper and I thought that was a really cute touch, but this little black sign didn't end up working there. You'll see me here play around with everything and just kind of figure out what works where. I ended up adding that lantern because, again, I needed that added height because I didn't have anything on the wall, but I'm still going to play around with picture frames. But then I decided to add just a little bit of festiveness. I just threw in some ornaments into the lantern as well as some tea lights just so that I could give a cozy vibe at nighttime, having them on and just feeling festive. If by chance you're new here today and you missed all of my other decorating videos this season, make sure you go check those out. I have a Christmas playlist that I'll have linked down below. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Amy and I am so glad that you stopped by. Here on my channel, I do a ton of decorating content, cleaning content, mommy motivation, and I would absolutely love to have you. So if you like what you see today, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. So I would definitely say that I prefer my decor to be balanced, kind of more symmetrical, if you will. And so I decided to add this smaller vase to the larger one to just kind of round out the dresser top. And I love it. I love the way that it turned out. I just added this really pretty faux greenery, and I loved it because I can keep it up all winter long. So poor Emma was feeling terrible because she accidentally broke this little reindeer's leg, but I was able to still prop it up and it was still really cute sitting here on the dresser. And now over here in our sitting area slash office, my husband works over here most of the time, but I'm just adding this plaid pillow because I didn't have any more Christmas pillows and I wanted to keep it neutral, as well as that really pretty faux greenery. I found that at Target as well. It matched the wreath above the bed perfectly. But here on the desk, this is our clutter zone. We tend to just dump everything here, so I'm just getting that picked up really quick before I go ahead and decorate. Even though I'm decorating for Christmas today, I'm still in the Thanksgiving spirit and I cannot wait to celebrate with my family this coming week. I hope you all have an amazing Thanksgiving as well. And I thought it'd be fun to ask you guys today, what is your favorite Thanksgiving dish? Mine has to be turkey with stuffing and cranberry sauce all combined. That is my absolute favorite. Second place would definitely be sweet potato casserole. But let me know in the comments below what's your favorite. So now you're going to see me decorating this desk, and I moved things around a million times. I had the hardest time picking out what I liked. I think that's just because the wall art is so high above the desk, but we had to do it that way because of the light switch. But Grayson, of course, wanted to come say hey, so that's just him saying hello. He was a little short for the camera, but again, just going to move things around a million different times. I ended up just doing a really cute, simple Christmas tree and then added some family pictures. The advent calendar just didn't work. I'm still trying to find a home for that though because it's absolutely beautiful. And now I'm going to wipe down the fireplace and then add a really pretty green garland that I got really inexpensive at Walmart. I think it was under $10, and for that price I felt like the quality was really great. For another pop of kind of rustic glam, I just added these really pretty wood trees, but they had kind of glittery gold painted on them. And then I put these trees up here, but I end up taking them down. They just didn't work with the space. And before I decorate here on the fireplace, I'm just vacuuming up really quick because, as you know, when you work with garland, it gets messy. So I have 4 of these baskets, if you keep wondering how they are appearing in my videos, but I just added a really pretty throw, some greenery, and then these faux fur presents. I thought they were so cute. And then I did something over here a little unique. I just added a wreath and a sign that says, "Then sings my soul" on the bottom to just balance it out. But now that I'm all done cleaning and decorating the space, I'm gonna end everything with a really good vacuuming and just pick up all of the bits and pieces that got on the floor from decorating.
So much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go.
I asked you guys in my last video when I should post my Christmas home tour, and by far everyone pretty much said before Thanksgiving. So I'm planning on posting it on Monday, November 25th, and that way you guys have plenty of time to watch, get ideas and inspiration for when you decorate over the holiday, during Black Friday, and all of that good stuff. So I cannot wait to share that with you guys. I'm going to be working really hard on it all weekend, and I hope that you enjoy that as well. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Here's the final result of the bedroom. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. I'm in love with it. I cannot wait to cozy up tonight with some cocoa and just enjoy the space this holiday season. I hope that you're having a fabulous day wherever you are, and I'll see you all really soon in the next one. Bye guys.
I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes